Stop trying to save 20% of your income. When you're living paycheck to paycheck, that advice isn't just useless. It's a lie. If you're barely covering rent and food, saving isn't your goal. It's an impossibility. The truth is, most personal finance advice is designed for people who already have money. I've spent years breaking down the math of wealth building, and I've realized that for low-wage earners, the standard rules actually make you feel like a failure. But you aren't failing. You're just using the wrong map. Today, we are throwing out the traditional budget. We're building a survival budget. This is a realistic, tactical guide to stop the financial panic and break the cycle of living on the edge. No fluff. No stop buying lattes cliches. Just a concrete plan to stabilize your life when you can't simply earn more right now. Most gurus tell you to save 20% of your income. Easy for them to say when they're filming from a mansion. But when your rent takes 60% of your check and grocery prices are skyrocketing, that 20% isn't a goal. It's a fantasy. You've tried the apps. You've tried the spreadsheets. But the math just doesn't add up. It's that sinking feeling in your stomach on the 20th of the month. Wondering if one unexpected expense, a flat tire, a broken tooth, a utility spike, is going to wipe you out completely. You start questioning everything. Are you spending too much on coffee? Are you too poor to ever get ahead? Here is the truth. You aren't failing at finance. You're fighting a system where the cost of living has completely outpaced your paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't a lack of discipline. It's a state of survival. And the most dangerous part, the more you try to save pennies, the more you feel the walls closing in. Because you're focusing on the wrong metric. When you're in the red, a savings account is a luxury you can't afford yet. You don't need a traditional savings plan. You need a way to stop the bleeding. So if saving 20% is a fantasy, what actually works? You need a survival budget. A survival budget isn't about building wealth. It's about buying oxygen. It's a strategic pivot from growth mode to stability mode. Here is exactly how to build one. Step 1, the 4 walls. When you're low income, you stop thinking in percentages and start thinking in essentials. Your 4 walls are the non-negotiables. If these aren't paid, your life stops. Everything else, Netflix, the gym, eating out, that subscription you forgot to cancel, is now a luxury. In a survival budget, luxuries are the first things to go. Not because you don't deserve them, but because you deserve peace of mind more. Step 2, the leak audit. Most people don't have a spending problem, they have a visibility problem. You can't fix what you can't see. This is where tools like Rocket Money come in. It hunts down those $9.99 leaks that are quietly draining your account. When you're living on the edge, $10 isn't just $10. It's 2 meals. Step 3, the zero-based allocation. Give every single dollar a job before the month begins. If you earn $1,500, you assign all $1,500. But here is the secret. You don't allocate to savings. You allocate to a buffer. Savings feels like a mountain you can't climb. A buffer is just a safety net. Your first goal isn't a 6-month emergency fund. That's too overwhelming. Your goal is $100, then $500. This buffer is what stops a flat tire from becoming a financial catastrophe. If you struggle with the math, use YNAB. YNAB, you need a budget, is the gold standard for this because it forces you to budget with the money you actually have in your bank account right now, not the money you hope to make next Friday. Step 4, the mindset shift. Stop feeling guilty that you aren't investing in the S&P 500 or buying crypto. When you're in the survival phase, your biggest ROI isn't a percentage gain in a portfolio. Your biggest ROI is eliminating the panic attack you feel every time you check your balance. That stability is the foundation. Once the 4 walls are secure and the buffer is set, then and only then do we talk about growth. Now, doing this on a napkin is hard. You need a system that does the heavy lifting for you. If you're leaking money on subscriptions you forgot about, use Rocket Money. It finds the waste and cancels it for you. That's instant breathing room without needing a raise. But if you want to master every single cent, YNAB is the gold standard. It's not about tracking what you spent. It's about deciding where your money goes before it leaves your account. When you stop guessing and start directing, the anxiety disappears. You stop wondering where your money went and start telling it where to go. I've put links to both in the description below. Grab them now and stop the leak. Now, let's move to the final step,